Well, welcome back. When it comes to battling wrinkles and aging skin, there's always new technology to turn back the clock.
And one of the latest procedures to hit the market is something called the Vivace experience that's getting rave reviews from the beauty industry. We visited a doctor in Connecticut to see what it's all about. Take a look.
Amy Meehan is a married mom of 2 teenage boys in Farmington. She leads a busy life as a realtor and teaches hot yoga, which helps her body stay fit. But at 55, she'd like some help with toning her face, so she started a series of Vivace microneedling treatments with Dr. Alana Shternfeld at the Inner Glow Spa in Avon.
People have told me how much younger I look in the last year or two, or as my mother, who I haven't shared as much with, just says, "You look rested."
Dr. Shternfeld begins by injecting Amy with her own blood that's been spun in this machine to create platelet-rich fibrin matrix, or PRFM. Think of it as a new and improved version of the vampire facial to create more collagen with your own plasma.
They release 8 different growth factors that helps promote collagen and elastin synthesis. So it happens over time. You don't see the results instantly. It takes about 2 weeks for your body to start making the collagen. I don't use needles, I use cannulas, and then we just slowly inject the PRFM.
All right. How are you feeling?
I felt nothing.
Nothing. It didn't hurt.
Not even a little. And is part of the appeal that this is using her own fluids, her own body to help heal the skin?
Absolutely. It's all natural.
The doctor injects it into strategic points on her face. She says orthopedics and dentists have been using this kind of procedure for decades to rebuild bones and joints.
Now we're using it in the face to help promote collagen, because the collagen is what we start losing collagen in our early 30s, and it really gets depleted as we go through menopause.
The next step is the Vivace microneedling to build even more collagen.
And now we're going to do yet another step. We're going to use the Vivace radiofrequency microneedling device that's going to intentionally make tiny little channels in the face, and that micro trauma will also promote collagen synthesis. So we're doing multiple things towards one goal.
Okay.
The Vivace microneedling radiofrequency has 36 gold tip micro needles, and we could set them to different depths and to different times of action, depending on what our goal is for the treatment, if we're treating a thicker skin area or a thinner skin area, and that gives us a very precise treatment.
You can get microneedling, you can get the vampire facial, you can get all these different things. This procedure sort of incorporates all of them?
Exactly, and that's why when the Vivace was released last year, it has won multiple aesthetic awards.
And what have you noticed as far as what you've liked?
Definitely definition in the jawline, a little bit of tightening in the neck, great under the eyes. Everything feels my skin smoother, and I'm 55 and I work in the heat, and it makes me feel great.
The fact that Dr. Shternfeld is also an MD as an ophthalmologist also makes Amy feel good.
I've been doing surgery on the face for 20 years. I feel very comfortable with this. I would not trust that to a non-medical degree person.
Mm-hmm.
So all we do is now make multiple passes across the entire face.
Dr. Shternfeld, who's also 55, started bringing her medical skills to beauty when she noticed her own aging and wanted to try to find something that was safe and effective.
If you sell it, you better buy it. I always use all the things on myself, the fillers, the Botox. I would never not put anything into my own face that I put into my patients' faces.
She continues moving the device all over Amy's face, adjusting it to work safely around the tender eye area. And you can use the Vivace microneedling on the area so many women worry about.
I really wanted something that would impact the neck very well without any significant downtime, because my patients don't have a lot of time to walk around looking red and bruised. And this is really a no downtime procedure, and that's what makes it really good.
The Vivace experience is also emitting LED light and radio frequency to tighten and tone skin.
I think that's why this device has won the awards, because it was able to combine so many different things, because otherwise people have all those machines separately, and then they have to A, spend the time, B, spend the money to do separate things, and this way you get a 3-in-1 together.
In the final step, Dr. Shternfeld puts Amy's leftover blood back in the spinner to make more plasma to use as a serum.
Whatever leftover plasma you have, you're using it almost like a mask.
Exactly.
And Amy is ready to teach hot yoga tonight.
Completely painless, very, very easy, and really there's no downtime.
Yeah, she went off to go teach yoga right after that. She really loves it. It's never too late to look better. Innerglow Spa is located at 100 Simsbury Road in Avon. To learn more, visit innerglowspa.com.
All right, coming up tomorrow at Better.